We're in the age of infinite content where most people either hit generate on robotic scripts or they ramble aimlessly hoping authenticity will save them. Both are a trap. Your audience is already online, but they're handing their attention to your competitors because the algorithm is a feedback loop that reacts to the data that we give it. I'm going to show you how to take those signals apart so you can find your audience once and for all. So the first thing to realize is that you've already separated yourself from 99% of the population. Most people spend their entire lives in the stands watching others and criticizing from the safety of their own couch. They're definitely spectators. They'll never know what it's like to put their reputation on the line and to be judged by the world. But you've already actually started a channel, or maybe you've built a business around your content. You're in that arena. You've chosen the path of the creator and entrepreneur and decided to connect with people in a way that's simply not possible face to face. That takes a level of heart and raw courage that most people cannot even imagine acting on. But raw courage isn't enough to get you views. To win in that arena, you have to master the 4 specific data points that the machine is actually looking for. The word signals sounds like a theory, but let's strip it down to the literal reality of the machine. The algorithm only cares about 4 specific things. Number 1, the click. How many people chose your video over everything else? Number 2, the hold. How long did they stay once they got there? Number 3, the session. Did they keep watching or did they leave the platform? And then number 4, which is the most important, this is why a lot of people aren't getting views here. It's called the relevance. Does this video actually fit the sequence of what your audience is watching right now? Relevance isn't about being popular. It's about being the next logical step. Every viewer is in a specific viewing session. They just finished a video on one topic and they're looking for the next piece of the puzzle. If your video feels like a random interruption, the system will ignore it. It's because the viewer will ignore it. If you're invisible, it's because those signals are weak. You're either too boring to click on, or too generic to watch, or too irrelevant to follow. Most people never fix it because they're looking at the wrong data. I'm going to show you how to rebuild those signals so that you can force the algorithm to find your audience. So growth stalls when you fall into the trap of playing it safe. So using the same templates, using the same stock voices, and using the same tones as everyone else is going to make you invisible. So like when you do that, you aren't creating, you're just filling space. And the algorithm doesn't owe us views just for showing up. It rewards authority. If your work looks generic, the system's going to treat you like a generic creator because the audience will treat you like a generic creator. When I say the algorithm, it's the audience. The low effort era is over, guys. You have to innovate so far beyond the basic button pushing or teleprompter reading that your vision becomes undeniable. How many people can get on camera or produce an AI video and script in seconds? So many people can do that. So what does that mean? The market's going to be flooded with all of this type of content. If we don't give the system a reason to prioritize our perspective, it's not going to do it. Safe content is forgettable. And if you're forgettable, you're just going to stay stuck in the noise with everybody else. But the reason that most people stay safe isn't a lack of talent. It's a massive understanding of how attention actually flows through the platform. The vast majority of views flow to the top 20% of creators. But a massive shift is happening. More and more small channels are beating the big channels at their own game. And joining them requires an understanding of how attention actually moves. Many creators use persistence as a shield to avoid the work of actually changing. They think that if they just keep uploading, that they've paid their dues and that the algorithm will eventually reward them. But hitting upload on the same bad video 100 times isn't hustle. So intelligence as a creator is measured by speed of implementation. Real progress happens in the gaps between your videos when you actually look at the feedback from the last one. The smartest people in the game have the ability to change direction the moment that they see that the strategy isn't working. They don't get emotionally attached to a style or a format that the audience is rejecting. If the data says the intro is too slow, they're going to cut it. And if the data says that the topic is dead, they're going to move on. They're not going to wait 6 months to see if it sticks. They pivot the second they see a better path. If you aren't evolving every single time you hit upload, you aren't paying attention. Or even worse, you're refusing to grow. And the biggest area where people refuse to grow is the way that they package their information or their knowledge. Giving information is what kills growth. Information is a commodity. AI gives it away for free, and content that lasts really truly provides transformation. So transformation isn't just education. It's for every story that you tell. Whether you're teaching a skill or documenting a journey, the goal is to bridge the gap between where the viewer is and where they want to be. So most people watch a video because they want to improve or they want to be inspired. But they often end up just watching someone else do the work. They see a story, but they don't see how it changes their own reality. Your job is to provide that bridge. You have to turn your experience and turn it into a shift in perspective that they can actually feel. Whether that's a framework that they can use or a story that forces them to see the world differently. You have to leave them better equipped to solve a problem or understand their own lives. If you don't provide that shift, you're just part of the background noise. But even the best transformation is useless if you don't have one personality trait that forces the algorithm to take you seriously. That trait is absolute conviction. Everything I just told you is a big waste of time if you don't have the stomach to stay consistent. The algorithm is a game of math, and if your mindset is weak, you're going to quit before the numbers even have a chance to work in your favor. You need consistency in two ways. You have to be consistent in your posting, and you have to be consistent in your format and style. You're training an audience to expect a specific experience from you. You have to operate with absolute conviction. You don't hope that the views come. You know that they're going to be inevitable because you already decided that they're going to happen. If you show up with doubt, people can smell it through the screen. If you show up with conviction, you force the algorithm, aka the audience, to categorize you as a leader. The standard for what counts as quality is rising. Your success depends on your ability to provide an experience that people can't find anywhere else. You have to be the one who finally delivers a perspective that cuts through the static. And if this made finding your target audience clear, I know this video will help you even more.